What's up, everybody? This is Andrew from AM Projects, and this is a short video on me taking out this double door and putting a wall there. I'm going to use this double door in a different area of my shop, which the shop is on the outside of this wall, so those double doors will be facing the backyard from the shop, which I'm standing in right now. Pretty much did this in one day, and all of the material, all of the wood and the screws I got from pallets and crate wood. So I just had the expenses of the insulation and the drywall. So yeah, not a very hard project, but something to keep me busy and working towards the end goal of my carpentry shop. So I didn't worry too much about the bracing because it has a header over top from the door. So really all of the wood in between here, the studs, is just to fill in and to attach the drywall and the wood from the outside. I also had the drywall mud left over from a previous project, so I didn't have those expenses either. But I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.